Oh, it does look steep. Oh, we got one down already. Oh, this is that one I saw earlier. This is steep, eh? I'm not sure I like Gordon's hole. I've got a feeling Adam's taking us somewhere stupid, like normal. Yep, looks stupid. What's going on over there? Where's everyone? Where is everyone?
Crashing. Not to red. That helps a lot.
It does, just crawl it around. Try not to break the ground. Which is easier said than done really, because it's super steep. It's very steep, isn't it? Oh. It's alright. I have no idea where we're going. Where are we going? This is stupid, isn't it? I don't know. I'm walking this. You might want to walk this one. You have seen them ride all day, have you?
Where do you think you're going, Sam?
I'm going to get off and turn it.
But I'm here.
Yeah, I'm waiting here.
Okay, you waiting on that slope?
Yeah. It's good brakes on this new TVI, mate. I feel like if I slid into you, you'd be gone. Yeah. It's quite slippery. That's very slippery. You might want to walk that one. I have no idea where we're going. Oh my god. This is crazy. Fun though. We're adventuring. Bloody Adam. It's madness. It's madness. You and your great ideas, eh?
How is the full strut then, Adam? How is the full strut?
This is so steep. These boys have no idea what they're in for. I think Adam just thinks he's trying to ruin me for the day. That looks so slippery. What, down there? Don't go off that way.
Holy shit!
Gaz, are you riding down that? Go on then. It's got no grip whatsoever. How does he do that? That's annoying, that is. I'm going to walk down, I'm going to slip. I'm going to walk down, I'm going to slip. Oh, this ain't going to end well. It's a big problem. I don't want to go that way. I didn't try. You're going that way. Slip and slide. That was easier if you walk it. Oh no. This is not going well.
It's on the glove. Oh, that's it, round 3. Went better than expected.
Just so you know, I didn't know this was happening. You decided to go that way. That's brave. Oh shit! Oh my god! Yeah, I'll try and move. This is absolute carnage. You've started a river as well. That's very close.
Why did you have to do the one? Oh, Jim, don't drop it.
Do not drop it.
You're standing my point now.
Oh my god, that's amazing. Good slide.
Oh, Stan, look at the river you've created.
This is chaos.
Depends how you judge a bag.
This is chaos. And you had the option at the top when you were like, which way should I go? Wow. Oh my god, this is hell. This is a good laugh, this is. That was hilarious. That was hilarious. Do you see them all sliding down?
One by one.
One was riding on top of the other. Wow. Whoa. My God, where's it going? I would say this is quite dangerous. Where does this actually go? I can't believe you come up here.
It's a bit worse now, Jonah.
Yeah, looks it. Ooh. Oh no, you went that way. Yeah, I looked at that line. It did look a lot easier, but I don't think it is. Which way are you going? Where's he going then? Is that hard? Oh, we're going that way. I'll come across that. Oh my God, this looks carnage in there. Okay, we're going to follow Adam out of here. Oh, that was fun. I don't know if we're out of the woods yet. Well, we're not out of the woods, you know what I mean? It's just a saying. But hopefully, no more crazy downhills like that. Oh! Oh, daylight. Oh my God. Ow. Hey, we made it out alive.